Hey guys, Antonio here with a brand new video on flexibility with your goals. So today we're going to talk about is the difference between when it is a good time to be flexible and when it is not to be flexible. So, when is it a good time to be flexible then? Let's think about the planning, right? So, you may step out into the world and think that the best thing to do for your goal is to do X, right? You start doing X over and over and over again. 3 months go by, you get a little bit of results, not exactly what you're looking for. Okay, so what you do then is you analyze your goal. You say, how far did I come? What more can I do? What did I do wrong? From there, you determine things that you did wrong, things that you could put more effort in, things that you could be doing more of, right? And from there, you realize, okay, my plan needs to be more flexible. I need to be able to shift it up. I need to say that, okay, I made a mistake in planning the first time, and now I need to change the way I planned and make it differently. So, my plan might have had a bunch of different things the first time, but going through, I realized that what I did was wrong, and now the next thing to do is change it so I'm doing different things that I hypothesize at least to be the right things. I try to look at other people that have done the same thing or similar things and try to pull techniques from them and do it in this space, right? That is when it is good to be flexible, okay? Another time is good to be flexible in the day-to-day, okay? Every single day things come up that you do not plan for, right? You may get into a car accident today. Let's hope not, but that might happen, right? That may eat a chunk of an hour or two, hopefully no more than that if it's a minor one, right? If it's a bad one, you may spend the whole day in the hospital. So if something like that happens, what you need to do is be flexible. You need to be okay to say, okay, I lost this amount of time. What can I do right now that'll bring me closer to my goal rather than focusing on the lost time? You may start thinking about the lost time and be like, oh, shit, I lost all this time. Instead, focus on what you can do right now in order to make the best of it. What can you do? So you need to be flexible in the sense that you may need to do something at a different time that you weren't planning on doing it, or in a different environment that you weren't planning on doing it. If you're taking a plane and traveling today, maybe you need to do work on the plane that you normally wouldn't be doing work on a plane, you'd be doing at your desk. Doesn't matter, you still got to do it, right? So you have to find a way to do things. That's where you need to be flexible. When it is bad to be flexible, that is the thing that I preach about the most, is that you don't want to change your goals. You don't want to change your mindset of trying to become successful in any way, shape, or form. Because if you become flexible on that, what happens is you'll let other people come in and change your mentality. That'll happen all the time. People will say, you're crazy for trying to do this. And if they tell you that, that means that you're probably trying to do something that is not normal, right? And for you to do something that's not normal, you need to believe in it so strong that you're not willing to give up easily. If you're flexible and you give up easily, you're going to not get very far. So what you need to do is you need to stand your ground when it comes to your long-term goal and your purpose. But on the day-to-day and the plan on how you get there, you can be flexible. Hope that makes sense, guys. If it doesn't, talk to me in the comments down below. I'm willing to discuss with you. Check out my blog post that I wrote along with this where I explain this more in depth. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to check me out on Patreon so I can keep making videos for you like this every single week. And guys, as always, remember that a chapter a day allows for success to make way. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.